Hey team, how you doing? This is Hugo, and I wanted to send you a very quickly brief video on how to check yourself into the Wednesdays and Thursdays meetings and events, and how to also check your guests for those events. Okay, so what you're gonna do is once you hit your homepage dashboard, you're gonna go to communication and calendar events. And then once you go to the calendar events, you will go to the calendar with our state, which is Illinois, and then all the events that are happening in Illinois. Because we have several meetings. We have South Loop, Downers Grove, and we have a North Side, and we have Rockford. So we have quite a bit. So you can always bring your people to any of these events. I myself just use the South and Loop and the Downers Grove. Once in a while, I will use the North Side because it's on Tuesday. And if they can't make it Wednesday or Thursday, I can take them to Tuesday. All right. So the follow-up is the same thing. You registered on Monday, which is at 6:30 in the South Loop, or 6:30 in Downers Grove, or on Friday in Downers Grove. Okay, so we have South Loop on Monday at 6:30, and we have Downers Grove on Monday 6:30 and Friday at 10 a.m. All right. So anyway, so let's just say that I'm gonna register for an event and in Downers Grove or in South Loop. It doesn't matter. So you just select the date, and as you can see here, this will be for next week. Downers Grove, the office. So you go and you add myself to the cart. Click on that and your name appears pending in registration. So now let's say I have a guest. I have a new guest that wants to come, and they want to see the event. So you go to new, you put all their information, hit add new guest, and then they're also going to show up in the pending registration. If they are existing guests, let's say they went to the intro meeting, but now they're going to the follow-up, you just type in their names. And for example, I'll just use Gary. You type in his name, and it just takes a few seconds to look him up. Takes a little bit. There he is. You click on the name, you hit to add to cart, and now Gary is under pending registration. So you guys now have registered new or existing guests and yourself in pending registration. That doesn't mean you guys are registered to go yet. So you have to hit complete registration. So once you're done, you hit complete, success, and voila. Now your name should be under registered. Okay, it's that easy. So now every Wednesday, every Thursday, every follow-up, or whatever you guys do, you guys just click on the name of the event. If here's the address, this is South Loop. These are all my people that came in a week ago, and I just hit, I add them up, and then they're all in there. Okay, so it's very, very simple. So I can't emphasize more. I like to see everyone attend every Wednesday or every Thursday or both days. It's gonna qualify you better. Again, you just never know who that person you're networking with might be. He could be your next partner. He could be your private lender. A lot of those guys that are in the community have money. So you get to know them. You start building a relationship. And when the right deal comes, you know who to go to. Okay, so this is what it's all about. This is why you got into this community, because you saw the value of it. Now it's just the time to implement. Like I said, I promise you guys to help you out and duplicate everything that I'm doing so that you can get certified quickly and start earning money quickly. Okay, again, I just started doing the marketing 2 months ago. I signed up in October, and I wasn't doing anything. I really wasn't. So, I had a lot of stuff on my plate. I had my kids, my real estate license brokerage. I got so much going on, but I finally decided to put my foot down, and I said to myself, I'm going to schedule my Renata's stuff first and then everyone else around me. And I'm putting priorities actually behind Renata's, okay? Events like family events, birthday parties, and stuff like that. I'm putting all that stuff on the side. I really am. I'm not attending any of that stuff right now. And I probably won't for another year or two because I really want to build my business and I want to take it to the next level. Okay. So, I want to put that on the side so that I can actually have the freedom to actually now do it while I'm still earning money and I don't have to worry about, oh, what am I going to do next week for money or stuff like that, So, get with it, guys. I'm here to help. Don't hesitate to call me, text me, email me, whatever you guys need to do. Steve Nomura, our mentor, he's also, he does a lot of great marketing training for us and it's free. He invites us to his house every Sunday. I strongly recommend you to attend that as well. It's very important. I mean, his marketing materials is like really, really good. He gives you like all kinds of scripts and of all possible human beings. Okay. He's been through it for a long time. So he knows the type of people that we deal with on the phone sometimes. So, he's got a script for realtors, for loan officers. He's got a script for family members. He's got a script for friends. He's got a script for cold calls. The list goes on and on. So you have so many opportunities to call leads and they're right in front of your face. You're just not actually doing them. You guys know a lot of people and you might say, oh, I don't have a lot of friends. If you do that memory jogger I'm going to send to you, you will come up with 200 names. And it doesn't matter if you know them good or you have a relationship with them or not. It doesn't matter. Just write names. We will get to that point and we will implement those calls together and help you bring people into your event so that you can start benefiting from the marketing side. And at the same time, you're learning real estate. Okay, so enough of this. This was supposed to be a short video. Now it turned out to be a 7.5 video. I'll talk to you soon. And if you have any questions, just replay the video again. Practice on yourself on how to add yourself and how to add someone in your family or friends. That's a good practice. And nothing happens anyway. So until they show up to the event, that's when they check you in. And that's it. If nobody shows up to the event and they're registered, nothing happens. They just stay on the calendar. No big deal. Okay? Talk to you soon, guys.